Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Alicia. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. Y'all, I have another unit from MegaLook. I love doing units from them because their units are affordable and pretty easy to change up. Just in case you want to do some customizing to it, I definitely would recommend their units because it just gets the job done. But you guys, this is the unit that they did send me. Again, this comes from MegaLook, so if you're interested, all of the information will be linked down below. This is their kinky curly Swiss HD clear lace 13 by 4 inches of parting space lace front wig. It does contain the combs on the inside as well as the adjustable strap and that elastic band for added security in case you do not want to adhere your units down. But this is the way the unit comes directly out of the box. You guys can see just how full the unit is. Now my unit is in a 22 inch and this is where it falls on me. I'm absolutely loving those curls, and again, this is a 13 by 4, so you guys can part within that section, but we are going to bleach those knots. I do like to take my Kaleidocolors in a 30 volume developer and I just kind of create the bleaching concoction and allow it to sit on the lace for about 40 minutes. Now if you guys are not interested in bleaching your knots, I completely understand. I will leave a link to a tint down below. I definitely recommend using the tint in case you are not into bleaching your knots, alright? But if you are into bleaching your knots, after bleaching them, definitely use a blue or purple shampoo to remove the brassiness of that lace. And then I'm going to go in and just get the hair nice and clean. One thing I love about bleaching my knots is being able to see that pre-plucked hairline, because most of the time when the hairline is pre-plucked, you really don't even notice it. So yeah, I do love that about bleaching my knots. But as far as styling the unit, I'm just gonna go for a center part, and then I like to take my foaming wrap mousse and apply it onto the edges because we want those edges to be very laid. I'm taking my Denman brush to just smooth the hair down, and I like to use a elastic band just to get those edges to stay put. Now as far as styling the actual hair, I'm going for a wash and go. I like the hair to be drenching wet, and then I take the Dew Mousse Def Mousse and apply a generous amount onto the hair. The key to get those curls to pop is by using a Denman brush. You guys can see I'm taking the brush sideways and going down, and it's really making those curls pop. And if you use the method that I use to lay the edges, this will be the perfect wear and go unit. So when it comes time to wear it, you can just plop it on and it's ready to wear. But I'm gonna go ahead and get that lace cut off and then get the unit on. What I love about this unit is just how good it looks without even adhering the unit down. Now I can add some tint and it would have been a perfect blend, but I'm going to just go ahead and melt the unit in by using my Got2b adhesive spray. I like to just apply a little bit on the forehead and then I blow dry it down, and then I go in another round with more of that spray and blow dry that down as well. And then I like to take the unit and just place it on top of that. That's the best way you can do it, so where you don't get any flakes or any white lace, and it should be a nice melt down. If you do have a little bit of the lace showing, because sometimes the lace isn't that clear, you can use your tinting spray to apply a bit of it on top of the lace to further melt it down. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my melting strip or your elastic band and place it on the edges just so that it can further melt down. And I'm just going to go through the hair and manipulate it just a bit. Yeah, I'm really feeling this hairline. I do feel like it is a 10 out of 10. I do see a little bit of the lightness of the lace, but that might just be an error on my part. The blend is looking real nice. But I like to go into that parting space with a bit of my concealer just to clean it up a bit. You guys can see how it just blends right into my complexion. I definitely recommend that the Dew Mousse is really going to get those curls to pop, and I'm loving the curl texture on this one. Again, this is 22 inches, and with the hair extended out, you can see where it falls, but where it falls on me naturally in its curly state is right into my boob area. And here is the angles of the hair. Again, I am 5'8", so if you're around my height, this is where it should fall on you. And I'm going to do some quick styles with this unit just so you guys can see how versatile it is. Let me know how you plan on wearing yours. Again, y'all, this unit comes from MegaLook.com. So if you're interested in this unit, you're feeling the curls and loving how easy it was to customize this, definitely check them out. I'll have all the information down below for you guys. Let me know what you think, and I'll catch you later. Bye, guys.